everyone, good evening. How are you all? So today we are on day 39 of our 45 days compost challenge. So I would say the countdown has begun. So only 6 days remaining for this challenge to get over. And I'm really so happy that in this challenge so many of you all joined with me, and we have been able to reduce, I don't know, like if we think about it collectively, lots of kgs we have so far reduced and eliminated from going into the landfills. So great achievement to all of us. And so now what next after this challenge? Yeah, I have a great plan that we all can do together, and I will be sharing details of it tomorrow. And the next challenge will start from next week once we complete this challenge. Okay, so for the next challenge we need to do some preparation, so all the details I will share it. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And for today's work I have to mark here day 39. So yesterday we made the pit model sort of in the bottle itself that we did at home. So you can try that way also, or just continue the way we have been doing. Okay, now today I have all this kitchen waste with me, and you can see there are lots of stems which I have. So I will dry it further because I cannot really break these, and I can even add these in my pots once they become dry. Not now, once they become totally dry, like sticks, like twigs, dry twigs, then I can even add it in my plants as a mulch. So I'll just sun dry it further. Let me just remove it right now, and the rest of it I will just add in my compost. So whichever sticks you can break, you can do that. Others you can just put it in your compost. You can even cut these with the scissor if you have a kitchen scissor or anything, and then you can put it. I will just leave it like this till it gets dry and use it as brown matter. So yeah, as I mentioned in the earlier live session, maybe a day or two back, that we need to start collecting our brown matter, the dried leaves, because the monsoons are appearing, and then we might not have dried leaves whenever it's raining. So let's collect the brown matter and keep it ready for the monsoons. Okay. bin with today's kitchen waste. right, and this I will keep for further sun drying. Avoid the noise which is coming from behind. My little one is high in spirits today. So this is done. Okay, and if you guys have missed on the post that I made earlier, we are looking for experts, we are looking for trainers, and we are looking for collaborations, yes, and all aligned with Trust to Treasure. So please check that post, and we have our own Facebook page for the purpose of trainings, and that's what I call it as T2T Institute, and to sell products, that's called Marketplace. So we have T2T Institute and Marketplace, which is all set to welcome you all and for collective growth. So learn, make and earn is what I would rightly try to put here. Okay, see